Welcome, everybody. A powerful vision of the one and only Ms. Ratna Reddy, backed by an army of able teaching staff and non-teaching staff, the entire institution that has come together to literally build the country's future together with one single vision. Thank you so much, CHIREC, for doing what you do. Thank you for bringing all of us as a society until this wonderful moment.
CHIREC supports handlooms and weavers and gifted hand-woven Pochampally sarees and kurtas to the staff for this grand finale.
Hello, CHIREC. It's absolutely wonderful to be here, and every parent sitting here would be sleeping much more soundly at night knowing their children come to CHIREC. I wish I had this growing up. Honestly, I'm quite jealous. I have been told that I can learn more from the students of CHIREC than I can possibly impart on them.
She played the fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman. Kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hand. And baby, I just wanna dance. I met her on the grass street right outside of the bar. She had a cigarette with me, one of her fake car. She asked me, what does it mean? The galley continue on. I said, it's one of my friend's songs. You wanna drink on? She took Jamie as a chaser, Jack for the fun. She got off on the table with Johnny riding a shotgun. Chatted some more, one more drink at the bar. We put a band in the jukebox, got up to dance. She played the fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman. అతిశయమే అచ్చరు అందే నీవే నా అతిశయం ఆగిరులు ఈతరులు ఏ చరులు లేనప్పుడు ముందున్న ప్రేమేగా అతిశయం ఓ పువ్వుల్లో దాగున్న పళ్ళెంతో అతిశయం ఆ సీతాకోక చిలక ఒళ్ళెంతో అతిశయం వేణువులో గాలి సంగీతాలే అతిశయం గురువెవ్వరు లేని కోయిల పాటే అతిశయం అతిశయమే అచ్చరు అందే నీవే నా అతిశయం ఆగిరులు ఈతరులు ఏ చరులు లేనప్పుడు ముందున్న ప్రేమేగా అతిశయం.
All right, fashion show commencing, ladies and gentlemen. Shirin, take charge.
So put your hands together for Prachi Nagpal.
Woohoo! Prachi Nagpal, everybody.
A CHIREC alumni, an ambitious 20-year-old girl who believes in conquering her dreams step by step. She has won the title of Campus Princess in IIT Hyderabad and was crowned Tiara Queen by TGPC, India's #1 pageant training institute.
CHIREC alumni, Anushree Shankar, who's here with her band from Bangalore. They're an a capella, which is a pure vocal band. All of it is vocal performance. They performed on national and international platforms. They've been featured on reality shows on television. Please welcome with a huge round of applause, No Treble.
Your hands up in the sky. Let's set this party on fire.
Players, put your rings to the
Para, 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 para.
24-karat magic in the air.
That's gone in to create these wonderful masterpieces. Ratna ma'am, ek CHIREC boutique store. Very required, I'm telling you. All proceeds go to student welfare. Actually, this footage with the MC. Give it a huge round of applause, everybody.
Peplum gown with a trail.
He's also CHIREC Idol. He won the CHIREC Idol and he's here to sing for us. Please put your hands together for YASH BHATNAGAR.
हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो, पल को गिरे की साए, पास कोई जो आए, लाख संभालो पागल दिल को, दिल धड़के ही जाए, पर सोच लो इस पल है जो वो दास्तां कल हो न हो.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Shreya Gopuraju on stage. The wonderful lady who just walked the ramp and dedicated to this wonderful lady who's going to dance with me now.
పైన చేస్తే కసిరి నన్ను తిట్టిందే, పసిడి పువ్వును అని పంపిందే,
పువ్వు చుట్టూ ముళ్ళంట, అంటుకుంటే మండే ఒళ్ళంట.
తీగ పైన చేస్తే తిట్టి నన్ను నెట్టిందే, మెరుపు తీగను అని పంపిందే,
మెరుపు వెంట ఉరుమంట, ఉరుము వెంట వరదంట, ఏ వరదలాగా మారిదను అంట.
Woo! Can we have a huge round of applause for them?
I can hear music, I can't hear talis. CHIREC, your talis have to be louder than the music. They deserve every single bit of it. Come on. Tennis court.
A huge round of applause for the showstoppers. We cannot finish this segment without calling upon the ever so glamorous, enchanting and stylish Shreya Rao Kavavarappu. She's a CHIREC alumni. She has pursued her career in architecture and is extremely passionate about it. She was titled Miss Andhra Pradesh in 2018 and then was the second runner-up of FEMINA Miss India beauty pageant. A huge round of applause for her.
ఈ వేళలో నీవు ఏం చేస్తూ ఉంటావు అనుకుంటూ ఉంటాను ప్రతి నిమిషము నేను
सरहद के पार बुलया, परवरदिगार बुलया, हाफिज तेरा मुर्शिद मेरा, कंदेटी सिक्के नल्लोरिचिंदी.
మమతల తల్లి ఓడి బాహుబలి లాలన తే కడలి మథనం జరిగే స్థలి
all the lovely ladies of CHIREC. Guys,
Come on, everybody.
you'll have to make some noise now. Hands up in the air, everybody. Aha. Okay, you all can sing with me. Team biscuit yesterday, Ramuna kusoni gade, kuduruga nelsoni gade, sanna sundara pinde, unke gayab chesinde, unke notiki pokunda,
Let's teach them a very easy step. Yeah. Go on. Come on. That's it.
Hey, pillarenuka, pillarenuchinde. Aha! Voice on the body, please. Aha! Voice on the body, please. Aha! Aha! Okay, let's do this. Magawalu master chalu, magawalu master chalu, magawalu master chalu, maskalu padta puntame, tu enna pooseka karigidi andi sangame. Sarigantu, oh sorry gantu, mistake nuvu cheste, life anta paduntade. Everybody. Biscuit yesterday, Ramuna kusoni gade, kuduruga nelsoni gade.